Hello guys and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel where you get to see the best and the latest clips from the roads all around the world. This time we prepared yet another banger episode for you. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button as well. Hopefully you'll enjoy this one. So, without any further ado, let's get this episode started. This biker noticed some money on the ground next to a car, and what he did next was surprisingly kind.
It's right outside this car though. Yeah. Their door's open though, I don't want to take it. Yeah, and I got it on video.
The initial reason this biker picked the cop's interest was that he was passing cars, but when the cop ran his plates, he saw that his license was expired. Most of the cops would write a heavy ticket for this, but not this cop here.
What the did I do?
Registration for Frickin Shredder.
Can I ask why I got pulled?
It's expired.
Huh?
Your license is expired.
My license?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Is it?
Yeah. Well, I didn't even notice it. Alright, cool. Damn, I didn't even know my license expired.
Get that taken care of, alright? And don't pass vehicles. Because the original reason why I saw you right at Town Mall,
Yeah.
you went around the vehicle.
Oh, they weren't turning left? Oh, okay.
Then when I pulled up behind you,
Got it.
ran the plate, license plate.
Alright.
Because that ticket, technically, when your license is expired, you're driving without a license.
Oh, okay.
There's not like a statute for like an expired. You can get expired registration.
Uh-huh.
There's no statute for expired license.
Okay.
Driving without.
Yeah, I'm gonna start looking. Alright, thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Be safe, alright?
Thank you. Oh, what a nice guy.
This biker was pumping some gas, and when he went inside to pay for it, he noticed a homeless man sitting in front. Check out what happened next.
You want something to eat or to drink? Do you want something to eat or to drink? Okay. Okay, no, I don't have any change, so... Okay, I will see. Pump 8. The card, please. Thank you. Here. Enjoy it, man. There.
These Suran riders got pulled over by the police. Apparently, they weren't supposed to be riding on these tracks and they needed to have a license for these type of bikes. There was no sign at the beginning of the track and the whole situation became really awkward. Check it out.
Really? I have a motorcycle license.
No? You have two?
What's that?
You have an F2 or M1?
M1.
M1?
Okay. We're looking at it? Yeah.
You guys have license plates for that?
No.
Check it out.
I mean, it makes sense. I'm with you. We have just never seen signs.
No, there was no sign from where we started. Is there
I
any reason
believe
why
so.
they didn't tell us that when we bought them? Because I mean, all these are different. And nobody said nothing to us.
You're supposed to know the law.
Yeah, I
No,
mean,
no, I'm not arguing. I'm not arguing with you.
I
I'm
think
just
it's because
asking
it's a
questions.
new thing, you know. They want to make money, so
Well,
they're just
right.
pumping them out.
Okay.
It's a new law for
This
us.
is not
We're
a
pretty
class
much
for you,
banning
like, you
all
guys do
electric
not
bikes
have
and all the
optional
state
Yeah,
parks.
because there's a lot of mountain bikes that don't look like.
Exactly.
Unless you know, you don't know.
What the main difference is operable pedals. Operable pedals.
So here's the kicker though. We were gonna get some lunch. How do we get back? Do you know if there's an alternate route that we could take?
Technically, we're actually supposed to take them away from you.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You would be the only one to be able to operate with your pedals.
I'm gonna pull for it.
Okay.
Watch out, guys.
You're good right there.
He's gonna do it. Technically. A lot of people have been coming down here with these bikes. I've already given a warning to the first group that came through, the second group that came through. Everyone got a ticket.
Really?
Yes, every single person got a ticket. So what I'll do is I'll write a posted order citation for one person. And then you guys are gonna go all the way back. Does that work?
Yeah, we just want to get back to our car now. Like I said, we didn't mean to break the law or put somebody out.
No, and I know that, but I also have to do my job.
Yeah, we get it.
And so I'm trying to give you guys a break. I don't want to take them away from you guys. Obviously, it's
I appreciate
a hike
that.
to get back up there. So what I'll do is I'll write one ticket.
It's the small things that count. Check out how this biker helped someone out.
Yep. Yeah. Big truck's back.
These bikers were having some fun riding around this parking lot. They just wanted to keep it out of the streets, but apparently the management of this private property has a problem with it.
What do you mean?
If you had a permit to do this, or if you talk to them and arrange something for them, like, I understand why you guys do it.
Yeah.
It's safer back here. There's no cars. You can fuck around if you want.
Yeah.
You know, but they're upset because you guys come here and they leave trash and shit like that.
Yeah.
If that's something that was like a little bit more organized, you know, we wouldn't be back here harassing you guys.
I feel you.
So I don't know who runs this or who's in charge. If it's just something that you guys post on social media and clean up. But I try to get a hold of whoever owns the property,
Mm-hmm.
because I mean you can probably get a permit to do shit like this, so that way you guys can have fun and not have to worry about being on.
I never thought we could. That'd be cool.
Yeah, I mean, because this is their property, so they can do whatever they want with it.
Yeah.
So if somebody that, you know, I don't know, your business guy that runs, you know, maybe like, hey man, you guys mind if, you know, they'll probably charge you a fee or something like that, and you know, come back here and as long as you don't destroy it.
Yeah.
But yeah, outside of that, if you come back here all the time now, because we know you guys are back here. Like, I ride, man. I hate to be the guy to tell you to get out, but yeah.
Everybody's gone. But you guys heard that. You heard what the cop said. Listen, if we could organize something at a lot, that'd be dope. If someone could like talk to the management and set it up, you know, pay a little, like couple $100 on the side, like to keep their mouth shut. Let us know, guys. We out here. We're just trying to have fun.
Tschüss. Bye.
This biker woke up and decided to be awesome today. He did numerous cool things, from pushing broken down cars to handing out roses to strangers. Everything with the idea of putting a smile on random people's faces. Check it
I
out.
could probably push you right up here into the library. Yeah, I can do that. Here, let me park real quick. No, I'll push you guys in there. Let me park real quick. Yeah, it's pretty neutral, and even like right here where I park my bike, there's a pretty wide spot right there. We can probably get you. It will? Yeah, you gotta turn the key on a little bit, but as long as the key's there, yeah, now you can put it in gear. There you go. And just roll it right up in front of my bike. good spot. You got a bunch of room right here for the tow truck. No, nobody hit you or nothing. That should be good.
We had to sit down. We got tired of standing.
Oh, I don't blame you. It's hot too, so. And hopefully it should be here. Now you got nice, easy space too. Won't get hit. No worries.
I know how to get it.
That's okay. It's scary. Have a good day. Probably make it sit down here. Not murdering him too badly. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Hi, good morning. I love your license plate, and I wanted to give this to you. If I can get it. Have a nice day. Actually, here, you all have one. Class 3. Have a nice day. Hey, you need a push? Yeah. So we'll park right here. We'll help you push it.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. The gas station across the street? Oh, yeah, we're just gonna go through the light, right? To the gas station?
Go to the gas station?
Yeah, we can go there. It's gonna be like a hill right there also, so.
Okay,
And go.
let's go.
Y'all good?
Yeah.
I'm good. No problem. Have a good night.
In this situation, the biker got angry at the cyclist for not paying attention. He was cutting across the road as he was the only one there. Check out how the whole situation unfolded.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop with the new rock, electronic, motorcycle groove up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving.
This biker shows us how it's done, guys. It doesn't cost you much to go out and offer a helping hand, just like he did. He bought some basic things to the homeless guy and delivered it to him. It only cost him a bit money and some spare time to do this.
What's up, man? How you doing? Didn't see you underneath the overpass, so just bought you a couple things here. Got you some water, some chips, some bread. Got you some peanut butter there. I forgot like a knife. But yeah, man. But just wanted to bring that by for you, man. Yeah, I just gave him like 3 of them, but I appreciate it, man. Here you go, buddy.
And with this clip, we reached the end of yet another episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and perhaps learned a thing or two about how to behave in traffic and how to be a better human being. Hopefully, some of these clips may inspire you to go out and do great things. Until the next episode, stay safe and take care.